In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Alph AI. Now, the first thing you have to do, of course, you have to create your account. There's a link down below in the description as well as in the pinned comment. And if you sign up using my link, you'll get a 5% discount on all trading fees forever. So make sure you check it out. Again, link down below. You will not regret it. Now, once you are in here, the first thing you have to do is you have to connect to Telegram. So you want to click on the connect button up top, click on connect to Telegram. And then from here, you basically are going to have to open up the bot. So I'm just going to open it in the web over here. And then you're just going to have to press a quick login button. It's going to be this one. There we go. It says login to website. Just click on that and then click on open. After you do that here, you basically will successfully connect. There we go. I am now connected. Okay, so I'm now connected to Telegram and I can now start using Alph AI. The first thing you want to do is you want to actually select the chain or network you want to be on. So either BNB or BSC, Sol, XLayer, ETH, Plasma, whatever you want to do. So let's just go with BSC for now. Now on here, let's now go ahead and see what all you can do on Alph AI and how to actually use it. The first thing you have top left is the meme portion. So this is basically where you can go ahead and hunt for the meme coins. You can go ahead and see the new creation coins, the almost graduated coins, and then the graduated coins. You can search in between all of these, as you can see by the search button, and you can also use these different filters on here. So metrics and social medias, everything can be filtered. Okay, now of course, this is the first thing you can do here, but you can also go ahead and do some quick buys by clicking this button over here. And you can also set how much the quick buy is worth. And here you can set your own personal presets. You have P1, P2, P3, which you can also change by clicking on the settings button. And then you can set your presets for buys and sells just like this, as you can see. So for different presets, you can have different gas fees, you can set custom gas fees, slippage, anti-mav mode, etc. And then you can just basically customize that like this. Now, that's the first thing you can do on here on the meme tab. The second one is you can see the K line. So what this basically means is you could just select one of these, so either almost graduated or graduated coins, and you'll be able to then just click on a specific coin and then directly see the chart right here to the right of it, okay? And of course, again, you can quick buy as well, so this is very convenient. Up here, the third tab is the snipe tab, and whenever you click on this, you can basically see the progress of specific coins, and you can go ahead and snipe them very quickly by clicking over here on this button on the right. Again, you can set how much you want that to be, you can select where you want to snipe, and then you can also select the time period and protocols as well. Okay, so that's kind of the basics of the meme tab. Now the trending tab is pretty much the same. You can just see over here the different trending meme coins, the newest one, the trending ones, and also kind of the meme index over here where you can see kind of where currently the status is. So you can also see the total trades, the traders, and pretty much everything right now what's going on the platform. Of course, you can do this for different time periods as well. And you can also go to the signal tab where you can also see a bunch of different things over here. So you could go ahead and see different alerts. You have the quick trading possibilities and options, etc. Okay, so if you're into that, you can go ahead and do that too. It's completely up to you. On the trade tab, this is basically where you come whenever you click on a specific meme coin. So let's say you just click on a random meme coin over here, and then you'll come to this site, which is basically the trade tab, where you can then go ahead and trade, buy, sell, use the quick trading, use take profits, stop losses over here. You can also go down here, see different pool information, audits, stuff like that. Here you can do your technical analysis. This is a chart by trading view, so you can see pretty much everything. Up top, there's the volumes, the market caps, the pools, etc. And down at the bottom, you can see the activity. You can see traders, holders, limit orders, and then the positions, okay? So that's pretty much it when it comes to this trade tab over here. It's pretty much self-explanatory and it's easy to use it. Now you have the smart wallet. Here, this is kind of a leaderboard, so you can see basically how different wallets are doing, their 7-day profits, last time trades, etc. for different things, so KOLs, early snipers, stuff like that. And then you also have the trackers up here. Now the trackers, here you can actually track wallets by clicking followed, add wallet, typing in the wallet address or pasting it in here, selecting an emoji, and then give it a nickname. And then after that, you'll be able to see the wallet's activity on here. And you can actually also open this anytime, anywhere by clicking the wallet tracker, and it's going to pop up on your screen, and you can see the followed wallets, add them, remove them, export them, import them, etc. Or you could just go ahead to activity and basically see the activity as well as the popular things on here, okay? And then the last thing you have over here is the rewards tab, where you can basically get your link if you actually want to refer some people onto the platform. So that's basically when it comes to that. As I said, over here you can of course change your chain or network. You can search for meme coins up top over here, and what you can also do here is you can see your wallet, so how your wallet is doing. You can go ahead and basically secure your account even more. You can deposit or withdraw over here, and then you can also see the rewards and disconnect your wallet. At the very far right, you have your language. You can also set the quick buy or sell settings, which is basically the presets we looked at earlier. And then down here, you can also see your FPS, how basically your connection is doing, some tutorials. You can open up their Telegram bot, their X, their Telegram, and you can see the price of the coin chain you're currently on. So for example, if I switch over to Solana, there's now the Sol price. If I go to BSC, there's now the BNB price, etc. Okay, so that's kind of a quick how to use on Alph AI. Again, there's a link down below if you want to sign up, and I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.